Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to access Excel or how you can use Excel without paying for it. And this is legal and you don't have to pay a dime to actually use Excel. Okay? So if you want to do that, go to your Google, then type excel.cloud.microsoft. So excel.cloud.microsoft. Then click on enter. So now this shows. So you can sign in. Just click on sign in and then you can sign in with a Microsoft account. So if you don't have one, you can create one. Okay. So I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft account. So after signing in, here it is. All right. So just in case you can't access this website, okay, you can also go to free Excel online. Free Excel online. So you can also search for free Excel online. Click on Microsoft 365 online, scroll down and then click on go to Excel here. And then it will take you to the same place. I'm already logged in, but you can just log in here. So I'm going to show you guys cool features that Excel online actually has that desktop Excel doesn't have. So I've already uploaded this data. So I'm just going to click on it, open it, and I'm going to show you guys what you can do here that Excel desktop doesn't have. Okay, so basically you can insert pivot table, even picture shapes and charts. So you can insert charts. Okay, right, you can also share in any way. You can also use the formulas. Also you can use this. And then one thing that you might not be able to do in Excel online is to use Power Query Editor. So you won't be able to access Power Query Editor in Excel online. You can only do that in desktop version. But then there are cool things here and I'm going to show you right now. So if you type a formula, let's say you want to do X lookup, see what happens. This is something that Excel desktop doesn't have. Okay, so it explains the formula for you, gives you description, gives you an example, right? And even another thing is that as you start typing the formula, it shows you like, okay, the first step is the lookup value, right? Is a value to search for. So let's say I want to get the cost unit for this different cost code here. So I'm going to select this cost code, okay, and I'll click on comma. You see that it moves to the next thing that I'm meant to do is the array or range to search. So when I select this range to search and click on comma, it is moving to the next one. Is the array or range to return. So this is the range to return, the cost unit. I'll select that and then click on enter. And then I'm able to do that being guided by what Excel. Okay, this is something that the desktop version doesn't have. And then another thing is that this online version can only work using internet. You can't do this online version without using internet. Okay, and then when you check here, you see that you automatically have a OneDrive account where you can save all your file here. And then another thing about this Excel version is when you want to add a new column, just hover your mouse on the edge of this column and till you get this plus sign, just click on it and the new column is added. Okay, you can just come here, do the same thing, click on it and a new column is added. Then you can also do this, right? You can also do this. So I can copy what is in row 2 and put it in row 4. So I can actually adjust my rows. So I can put your mouse here and it changes to a hand, as you can see, and I can drag it down here and you see that the row 3 has been changed to row 5 and the numbers is adjusted. So they also automatically adjust the numbers. Okay, so there's so many things you can do here. You can also select these 3 rows and then come here and click on this plus sign and it's going to add extra three empty rows. Okay, and then you can also do this where your mouse on this, right, and double click and drag, and like you